Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you around this Dollar Tree that's super big. They have so many new items, so let's get started. So this Dollar Tree still has a lot of the 4th of July items, which I'm planning to do a DIY. Give this video a thumbs up if you're interested in watching something like that. But they do still have all of these like Hawaiian luau decorations for parties. So if you guys are interested in that, they still have a bunch of it left. I guess right now, since there aren't so many parties going on, that might be the reason why. But they also have these super cute cups. I love the designs. They have really cute pictures. And this one's my favorite. I didn't pay attention to what it said, but it says tropic like it's hot. I thought it was so funny. They also have these flamingo ones, so many signs and decorations that you can also use for your backyard during the summer. And I also found these super cute pineapples in the pink color and the gold color. Not sure how you would use these, but I think they are super adorable. Any type of decoration would really work with these. They also have a bunch of inflatable decorations that are super cute. And I found this little bag with some items that you can use for a sandbox, so I picked one of those up. They also have these pineapples, which I love pineapples during the summer as decorations as well. And they have the green, the blue, and the pink. I love these. I just didn't know what I could do with them, but if you're looking for something like that, they are there. And they also have these super adorable kitchen towels, which I love. The only thing that I don't like is that they're white and they do get dirty pretty easily when they're like that, so I decided not to grab any. But I also found these super cute plates. They're plastic, but the design's super adorable. They also have some ice trays. And here you can see better all the stuff they have for the 4th of July. They have so many items this year. I don't remember seeing anything like this last year. It might be because not a lot of people were at the stores this year, but I don't think I see a lot of repeats from last year. So check out this section. I love some of the bows that they have. They are super cute, perfect to make a wreath. And they also have these socks that I thought were perfect. You can wear some shorts and rock your 4th of July socks. They also have some awesome wrapping paper. You have to check it out. It's perfect if you want to just line some drawers or use it as some gift wrapping, scrapbooking. There are just so many options. My favorite was this silver one with this really cute design. And my absolute favorite section of the Dollar Tree is this new Crafter'S Square area where they have so many new things. They have a bunch of glitters, some glue. They have so many DIY potential items that you can get here. Some perfect activities for the kids that are now all at home. They have these super cute small scissors that are more precise. They also have some markers that are like the chalk markers and some metallic markers. There are just so many things. I have gone to other Dollar Trees, but this one has the biggest section by far than all the other ones. So check out different Dollar Trees so that you can see what they have. They all have different items, but I was really excited to see all the things that they carry. They have some paint. They have some really cute cardboard boxes that you can paint. I was getting so many ideas of what I can do. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I do recommend that you subscribe. I do a bunch of Dollar Tree DIY videos here on my channel. I have a video every week that you can watch and get some ideas so that you can head over to the Dollar Tree and make some DIYs during the summer. So make sure you subscribe. I'll also leave some videos here in the description box below if you want to go watch some. And they also have a pretty big sticker section that you don't want to miss. Make sure you look for it. They do have stickers all around the store, but this one in the Crafter'S Square section has so many stickers, stencils. I also found some really cute room decor, like this one that has glitter inside. I loved this one, really good for some DIY potential. They have some awesome wall decor like this. So many different designs and images, some with quotes. These are some of my favorites. I also found this one that has some clear, like acrylic plastic covering with this quote in the front. I really like that one. It's very different. And I found these glass containers that I had not seen at the Dollar Tree, and they have some of the same ones that they always have as well. I also found these, which I really like. They're the peel and stick, like decor stickers. I really like the design, and they have a bunch of like the minions, Baby Shark, and of course Baby Yoda that I love. I absolutely did get one of those. And some candle holders that they usually have at the Dollar Tree. And I found this one. I think this is for wax melts. I'm not sure, but I thought it was really cute with the flower. And of course, the awesome ribbon section. And at this Dollar Tree, they had a bunch of magazines. This one in particular, I loved. Small Space Organizing. I did get it. It is awesome. For $1, it gives you so many ideas. I'm not sure if this is just a magazine that they sell for more at other stores, but I loved it. You guys have to check it out if you see any at the Dollar Tree that you go to. They also have all these coloring books, and my favorite, my notebooks with planner stickers. I love those. I have a collection of them. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see a video of all the notebooks that I have. I have a pretty big collection. I would love to share that with you guys. I also love getting pens from there, and they had some Minnie Mouse. They also have like a princess design and some My Little Pony ones. They are all different colors, and they are glitter gel pens. They also have these travel cups. They come 2 in a pack, and they have really cute quotes and pictures. I also found these coffee mugs. They've had them before, and this little mason jar here. It's glass, which I really like, but these coffee mugs I really like. They've had these for a while. They are super cute. I also found all this super cute wall decor. Some metallic tattoos, stickers, planner stickers. These are my favorite. They kind of have that Kate Spade look. And don't forget to check out the sunglasses at the Dollar Tree. Sometimes they have some really good selection and they're not even like the dollar store brand. I've found some that are a different brand, so check those out. So these are some of the items I found. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And check out my other videos for DIYs. You won't be disappointed. I'll link them here down below. And let me know what kind of video you want to see next. Thanks for watching.